Good morning, everyone. It's been a hot minute. It's your girl Jenny, and welcome back. Or I guess welcome myself back because I've been slacking. No excuses, just moving on. This sweater from Target is so comfy. It technically is like a sleeping sweater type of thing because that's where I got it from. But regardless, it's so comfy. And moving on, today is Halloween, and honestly, this year was kind of nice. It was kind of fun, but I feel like Halloween already came and went because I had a Halloween party like 2 weeks ago. So it feels like Halloween has already happened, and today is the day of it, and there's snow. So it really doesn't feel like Halloween. It is still morning. I think it is, 9:59. We got up earlier this morning. I had to bring a jacket to someone because they bought it off of me through Facebook Marketplace. And this is where I'm going to be keeping everything. I'm going to be keeping track of what I'm selling and how much. And we got ready because I have another one to go to in just a little bit. But of course, I have my coffee to get my day ready. Our washing machine broke the other day and flooded the entire kitchen, and it was starting to seep into the dining room, so we used a bunch of our towels to soak that up, and we are currently waiting for them to bring us a new one. So the apartment is a mess because all of this pretty much goes in our laundry room. Everything's everywhere. Dishes are here. But look at this. We just got, so technically these are our roommate Liz's. So she brought in the sofa. We already cleaned everything off because she did too. And then we threw in the cushion covers to wash the other day. We have the recliners, which is so nice to have. And then we have the TV there that we have to mount, but we haven't yet because one, we're lazy. Two, there's so much stuff there that we have to get rid of. Or, I mean, technically we don't have to, but today is the last day of Halloween, so we can do that. And she's already started to move some of her stuff in. So, yeah, that's literally what this week has been like. It's been crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Alright, so I look really comfy, also really basic. Ricky, I'm gonna go start the car.
What?
I'm gonna go start the car. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I briefly mentioned that this morning I went to go meet, my boyfriend and I went to go meet with someone to drop off a jacket that she purchased through Facebook Marketplace, which if you guys aren't selling through there, I definitely recommend it because it comes in clutch. And right now, we are heading to drop off another jacket that this lady wanted. So it'll be nice. But I came out to start my car and heat it up because of the snow. And we have to meet with this person. I think she's sending her husband, which is why I'm definitely bringing Ricky with me. But yeah, we're meeting with her husband because they're both a little bit older. And it's snowing, so I think for her it's just safer to send him. And also because it's Facebook. You never know what you're gonna get. So if you guys are selling things online, I definitely recommend to practice safety. If you're gonna meet with someone, definitely take someone with you or send someone your location or just do your research. Alright, y'all, so we just sold the jacket. I'm only selling it, it was $8?
Yeah.
But hey, it's $8 that I didn't have before. But it was really funny because he parked right next to us.
We didn't even know.
We didn't know. It was kind of an awkward walk back.
That's why I turned it off.
Yeah. Alright, so the dude is checking my car now. Fuck.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Yeah, we left our towels out there. Well, we're gonna need new ones for sure.
Should I go out and like
No.
like just put them on the deck so that way they don't blow over to the side?
Yep, sign.
Yeah.
Ryan. You
No. Ryan!
Hey, now it hurts.
He's like, what the fuck?
I might be the color, but I am not the temperature.
Oh my god, that was so stiff.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Who's moving in then? Yeah, go put like your feet by a heater.
Put him in the dryer
Put my
machine.
mouth.
Ricky, what the fuck? Oh no. What was that?
What's already in this, so there you go.
I'm getting crime footage.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? Just got our new washer. So, with that being said, and not being able to do our laundry for a while, especially because we had to stop doing our laundry last time, we have a shit ton to do, and I literally mean that. That right there is our pile of laundry. Here's a shoe. Here's my pile of laundry. It's been a day, y'all. Look at this. I'm so tired. And then I had to call Best Buy because Best Buy decided to charge me for like a renewal of something, and I'm like, bro, I didn't even authorize this. They're like, oh, it was auto renewal. I'm like, bitch, I didn't sign up for this. Anyway, that was like $216, and I'm like, bitch. Like, I'm not gonna pay for that. Like, reverse that because I didn't authorize that. I don't need it. Maybe if I cancel it. Okay. So I hit cancel, and then now I'm gonna hit start. And then I'm gonna walk away for just a little bit. Now it's going, and now I have to be careful and just make sure that it works. Honestly, who knows that it will? If it doesn't, I'm going to cry because I have so much laundry to do. Yeah, I don't really know what to do today because I really wanted trick-or-treaters to come, but there's no trick-or-treaters, so I'm really sad. So I think the spooky thing that's happening today is the snow and the laundry, like the mountain of laundry. I'm just like trying to keep an eye on it so it doesn't like flood again. What should I do? Y'all, I wish I was like, I don't know, do I go? I don't know, my car is weird right now, so like it's not that I really want to go anywhere. And I don't really know what to do. And my boyfriend's working, and then my roommate's working, and then the other one's moving in. So I don't know. We'll see. Should get my nails done. Alright, I'm so bored. Can you tell that I'm bored? Frick. So I forgot. Okay, so I'll probably put in pictures of my Halloween party because the decorations at this point are just like a no. But I can't open the can of tuna because I forgot that during the Halloween party someone dropped our can opener, and I don't know where it is. It fell off of our balcony and it's snowing, so there's a nice layer of snow. Don't even know where it fell, so there goes my tuna. Maybe I'll do something different.